Hello students, in my last video, that is in Act 3 Scene 1 Part 1, I discussed you about Portia's speech and I hope that you have understood. So, in the previous video, we learned that the scene begins with Portia's begging Bassanio to delay in making the casket choice. She feels if he chooses wrongly, she will miss his company. In this passage, we also learn that Portia was a devoted and loving daughter. Even though her father is not alive, yet she is deeply attached and very much loyal to his memory. She is determined in marrying only as per her father's will, even at the risk of losing the man she loves. We have also learned that how Portia was simply just stretching the time so that she can delay Bassanio in making his choice. So let's begin, students. Now what's the reply or what is going in the mind of Bassanio? Let me choose, for as I am, I live upon the rack. Here you will find that Bassanio can no longer bear the suspense and the uncertainty, and he wants to make the choice and know if Portia can be his. So here students underline the word rack. Rack is actually an instrument used for torturing the prisoners. So here the word is used as a metaphor, and I will explain why it is said to be a metaphor. So children, rack means torture. Here rack means torture of not knowing the outcome of choosing the casket. And the rack was an instrument in the old times used to torture the prisoners, suspects, and make them confess their guilt, their sin. So, how they were tortured on this frame, this rack, the person used to be tied to a frame which was stressed, and the pain of stressing the limb was unbearable. Here, Portia and Bassanio are also tortured as their feelings are stretched to the limit. Portia is just stretching the time, simply stretching the time so that Bassanio can delay in making his choice, and that is torturing him. So he was deliberate to choose the caskets as early as possible. Now, see this line, Portia, upon the rack, Bassanio, then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. Now here you will find that wittily Portia was teasing Bassanio, because Portia used the word rack in a metaphorical way, but Portia has the literal meaning or used the literal meaning of rack. So here underline the word treason. Treason means disloyalty. Okay, mingled means mixed. So Portia very wittily or in a teasing tone asks Bassanio what disloyalty has Bassanio committed to be on the rack. Understood, students? So here Portia was trying to tease Bassanio that whether his love is true or mixed with disloyalty, treachery, or unfaithfulness. Understood? Now, see the reply of Bassanio. None but that ugly treason of mistrust, underline mistrust, doubt, which makes me fear the enjoying of my love. There may as well be amity and life, twain snow and fire as treason and my love. Twain means between. Okay. So students, underline amity means friendship. So here Bassanio replies that his love is loyal and it is nothing except the uneasy feeling of doubt. So Bassanio says that the torment, the torture is due to the doubt that whether he will be able to choose correctly, whether he can win Portia, his love, as his wife. So this doubt is taking away his peace of mind. That is why Bassanio wants to make the choice fast. Now students, please write down this line, the meaning of this line, that there may as well be amity and life between snow and fire as Trajan and my love. So to prove his loyalty, Bassanio says that as there cannot be friendship or union between snow and fire, similarly his love cannot exist with treason or disloyalty. Now, but Portia still continues teasing Bassanio. Hey, but I fear you speak upon the rack, where men enforced do speak anything. So here Portia is still continuing to tease him that upon the rack, even not only the guilty person but the innocent people under pressure, under the pressure of torture, prisoners are bound, are forced to confess anything. So Portia says Bassanio that Bassanio is accepting his love just under pressure. He is confessing his love under pressure. Bassanio, promise me life and I will confess the truth. So here students, many times you have heard that prisoners ask the jailer to grant them life if they confess the truth. So the same way Bassanio, like the prisoner, is asking Portia to spare his life, requesting Portia to promise to spare his life if he will confess the truth. Portia, well then, confess and leave. So Portia says, okay, you tell the truth and you leave, means your life will be spared. Bassanio, confess and love. This phrase is very important, students. Write down, means I confess that my love is true. So this is the gist of his confession. Had been the very sum of my confession, means these words, confess and love. I confess that my love towards you is loyal, is truthful. So these are the gists of his confession. O happy torment, when my torturer doth teach me answers for deliverance, but let me do my fortune and the caskets. So underline the word torturer. Torturer, the person, the tormentor, here refers to Portia. Deliverance means to free. Now students, why does Bassanio call his torment a happy one, his torture a happy one? Bassanio refers his torment as a happy one because Portia, the torturer, promises to release him from the rack if he confirms his treachery, and this confession is easy for him. All that he has to say is that he loves her. Understood? So, but let me to my fortune and the casket. Here let me to my fortune means to allow me to my fortune for choosing the casket, to make the choice of the caskets. Curtain drawn from the caskets means curtain. Now Bassanio is going to make his choice so that he can analyze the caskets. And students, I hope that up to this passage you have understood well, and I shall continue the next part in my next video, that is part 3. I shall continue afterwards.